Alright, so today we're doing a close examination of local flock cameras that have just started showing up uh, last couple of days since the new 38 billion in ICE funding got released. And so this one across the street from my house, here we go, just showed up. And this one's got no purpose, serves no use at all. It's just pointed towards our local park here. Sorry about the audio. Forgot my windsock, but you'll see there's just a logo kind of up there. No signs, no information, phone numbers. Doesn't tell you anything about them. We didn't have any kind of community meeting. No city council announcement. They just randomly showed up with no notice. And there's no signs to call to find out information about where the data is going, who's using it, what its purpose is. We don't know if it's county maintenance, sheriffs, local authority. Could be this private restaurant here. I don't know, but at least I got the solar panel pointed the wrong direction. And the other day there was a person right here changing their clothes, and they thought they were in privacy behind their door, and they were sitting right here, right underneath this camera. So I feel bad for them and what tech is out there spreading all their information.